Hello guys, welcome to Java Zone, and today we are going to talk about the leader elements. So now let me give an example that what its leader element. So let's take an array number equals 10, 20, 30, 5, 25, 17. Okay, yeah, so leader elements are those elements whose right side elements are all less than that. Okay, suppose 30 is a leader element, 25 is a leader element. How 30 is a leader element? It means the right side elements of 30 are smaller than 30. You can see 5 is smaller than 30, 25 is smaller, and 17 is also a smaller. Right. Similarly, 25 is also a leader element because the right side element of 25, that is 17, is smaller. So what is leader element overall is all the element. The leader element is that element which is greater than all the elements present in the right side of it. Okay, got it. So yeah, so let's do a program where we can print in the array that what elements are the leader elements in the given array. Okay, so this is a, let's take an example, and yeah, keep in mind we don't have to do the program using nested loops. Okay, means if there's no chance to, if there's no possibility to do any program, writing the code using one for loop, then we can, then the last is that way. But as much as if it's possible, then we can do or it's recommended to do using one for loop, right? So let's start. So, and don't worry guys, I'll explain in the last using debugging mode. So from debugging mode you'll get a clear concepts understanding. So let's complete the program and get the output, and then I'll explain. Okay, so let me take a variable and let me take the last number of it. How to take the last number dot length -1. Okay, so length is 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 minus 1, that is 5. So number of 5, 0 1 2 3 4 5, that is 17. Okay, now one for loop I equals number dot length -2. Don't worry, I'll explain why I have taken this. Then I greater than equals 0, minus I should decrease the i's. Okay, then I put a condition if number of I is greater than max, then let me print the first number, what is that, and assign the value of max to number of I know many of you are getting what I'm trying to do. Let's run this code. Yeah, 25 and 30 and 25, so we got a correct answer. That is a desired output. Let's do one more. 28. Okay, 28, then 7 8 6 12. So in this case the leader element is 30 and 28, because 25 is not, because leader element is that element whose right side element all are smaller than that. Means here if the 25 has to be the leader element, then the all right side elements should be smaller than 25, but 28 is greater. So in this case 30 and 28 should be the leader elements. Let's run 28 and 30. Okay, now our code works fine using one for loop. Let's put a debug point here. Debug. Java non-repeating, Java non-repeating. Okay. Oh. Yeah, it's running. It'll stop here. Come on, somewhat slow my system. Yeah, it stops here. Step over. We got our array number. One more step. The max value should be 12. Yeah, the last element of an array. We are moving inside the for loop. Okay, I equals number of length. Number of length is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Number 10 minus 2, that is 8. So I equals 8. Number of 8, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. That means it is checking that 6, that means number of 8, that is the number 6 is greater than max. What is max? That is 12. So 6 is greater than 12, condition false. It again comes to the for loop. Now the I value should decrement to -1. So initially it was 8, right? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 10 minus 2, 8 minus 1. So 8 minus 1, that is 7. So here now I is equals 7. Number of 7, that is 28. 28 is greater than max. Max is 12. Yes, so 28 is greater than 12. Okay, number 7, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Oh, it's 8, not 28. So number of I, number of 7 is 8. So 8 is greater than 12. That is condition false. So it again comes here. Sorry. Now it should be inside. Yes, because number of 6 is 28. 28 is greater than 12. Obvious, it's greater. It should print 28. It printed here. Now max changes to number of I. That means initially we assume that the maximum number, the highest number, or we can say the leader element. Here, that's why I given the max variable. The maximum number should be 12. But if we are checking that if any of the number, okay, just before that our max number is greater, then our max assumed number should be assigned to that number. Okay, what we found. So now here number of I, that means number of 6 is 28, which is obvious greater than 12. So now our max number becomes 28. Okay, so now here it will checks here as a 28. Again came I, now becomes 5 0 1 2 3 4 5. 17 greater than 28, condition false. Now 4 0 1 2 3 4. 25 greater than 28, false. Then 3 5 greater than 28, false. 30 I equals 2 0 1 2. 30 greater than 28, yes, comes inside, printed 30. Max, now max changed from 28 to number of I, and that is 30. What is the value of max? 30. Okay, again came inside, I equals 1. 20 greater than 30, false. Again came inside, I equals 0. 0, that is 10. 10 greater than 30, false. Hence over. Loop, it comes outside from loop, and program over. We will check a console. Here's the answer, 28 and 30. So this is the finally we'll solve how to get the leader elements. And yeah, believe me guys, any program, suppose if you need to understand, or if you're not understanding any program, then just use the debug mode, because when you're using the debug mode, then you'll get what output you are getting in each and every line. Okay, the execution, and that is the main thing you need to understand, and really helps in writing the code. Okay, so thank you, and in the next video I'll going to discuss the methods. Yeah, because we are heading to the methods of array, and that's really, and we'll also seen the one method like sort method, arrays.sort. So it can sort the arrays in ascending order by default, but we can sort the array in descending. Okay, so let's okay, goodbye for now, and let's meet in the next video. Thank you very much.